Hi guys! Welcome to IQ Search channel. In this video, we are going to solve two questions about PEMDAS rule. What is the value of the expression? 2 then 8 divided by 4 inside the parentheses whole to the power of 2. Minus 1 plus 1 inside the parentheses whole to the power of 2 then multiply 2. Everything looks easy here. Until one tiny square completely changes the answer. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. As you can see on the screen and in this expression, first we have parentheses, then exponent minus, then again parentheses and exponent, finally multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses, because parentheses have higher priority than all other operations. We simplify this expression as 2 then 8 divided by 4 equals to 2 to the power of 2. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 2 to the power of 2 and finally multiply 2. Next we have multiplication and exponent, subtraction again an exponent, and finally a multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, we perform exponent because exponent has higher priority than all other operations. And instead of this expression, we write 2 multiply 2 times 2 equals to 4, then minus 2 times 2 equals to 4 and finally multiply 2. Next we have multiplication, subtraction, and again multiplication. First we perform multiplication because it comes before subtraction. We rewrite this expression as 2 multiply 4 equals to 8, then minus 4 multiply 2. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. First we do multiplication between 4 and 2. Because multiplication comes before subtraction, we write this expression as 8 minus 4 times 2 equals to 8. Finally 8 minus 8 equals to 0, and this is the final answer to this expression. What is the value of the expression? 7 to the power of 2 minus 7 divided by 7 then multiply 3. One small number in this question is secretly controlling everything. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction, and because multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. As you can see on the screen and in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign is followed by division and finally a multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, first we perform an exponent because exponent has higher priority than all other operations. And we simplify this expression as 7 times 7 equals to 49 them, minus 7 divided by 7 and finally multiply 3. And the next step we handle division and multiplication, and for this we work from left to right. First we do division between 7 and 7 because division comes before subtraction. And instead of this expression we write 49 minus 7 divided by 7 equals to 1 then times 3. Next we have subtraction and multiplication. First we do multiplication between 1 and 3. Because multiplication comes before subtraction, we rewrite this expression as 49 minus 1 times 3 equals to 3. Finally, 49 minus 3 gives us 46, and this is the final answer to this expression. Be honest. Did that tiny square trick your brain? Comment your answer and follow for more daily math traps.